This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Shauna Calvert. Welcome to 5616 Seagrass Place, a former model home built by Sabal with a sought-after Gulfview floor plan. Sitting on an oversized pie-shaped lot, this home features a rare fully landscaped side yard and over 140 feet of waterfront, nearly double the frontage of most homes in the community, providing direct, unobstructed access to Tampa Bay. Spanning 3,618 square feet, this 4-bedroom, 4-bathroom home has a well-designed layout for comfort and functionality. The primary suite is on the main floor, along with an additional secondary bedroom on the opposite side, ideal for guests or an in-law suite. The laundry room is also conveniently located on the main floor. Upstairs, there are 2 more spacious bedrooms, one with a private bath and walk-in closet. The home features 2 large balconies, one facing east for beautiful morning sunrises and the other facing west for breathtaking Tampa Bay sunsets. The main floor includes a formal office with French doors leading to a private porch, built-in cabinetry, and a closet. High-end finishes are found throughout, including custom feature walls, detailed trim work, and a formal dining room with a striking steepled ceiling. The dining room connects to a butler's pantry, leading to a large walk-in pantry and a recently remodeled kitchen. Designed for entertaining, the kitchen features new appliances, quartz countertops, a stylish backsplash, under-cabinet lighting, wraparound counter seating, and an oversized cafe-style dining space surrounded by windows overlooking the backyard, pool, and water. The open-concept living room includes a custom built-in feature wall and a cozy gas fireplace. A wide, lighted wooden staircase leads to the second floor, where you'll find an incredible loft with custom wood trim, deep plantation shutters, a full wet bar with a wine fridge, and detailed wall accents. This extra-wide lot is positioned across from a beautifully landscaped community greenbelt, adding to the peaceful, private feel of the home. The backyard is a true retreat, featuring a fully screened and heated saltwater pool and spa. The dock is equipped with both water and electricity, making it ready for boating and waterfront activities. The front porch is another inviting space, with a ceiling fan and French doors leading into the private home office. The oversized 3-car garage includes a tandem parking space, perfect for a workshop, a third vehicle, or a golf cart. The extended driveway has been updated with brick pavers for a polished look. Recent updates include a full kitchen remodel in 2024, both upstairs bathrooms remodeled in 2024, a new roof in 2020, recently replaced air conditioner units, a new pool heater, full home plantation shutters, and an electric retractable rear awning. For added peace of mind, the homeowner has had the home pre-installed.